Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to do data consolidation. To start off with, you have to have different spreadsheets generally laid out the same. So in this case I've got location 1, location 2, and location 3. And you can see that each one has sales and expenses and profit on the left, and say sublocation A and sublocation B here. I'm just going to put that off to the side there. Location 2 has everything else exactly in the same position as well. And then the same with location 3. Everything is in exactly the same position. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to then go into the summary page right here, put my mouse somewhere in it, and then go to data, and then data consolidation, which is at the top. Now, I had some other work I was doing in here previously, so I have to delete all that. So what I want to do now is I want to, with my mouse pointer on one cell in the summary tab, I'm going to go to L1 and I'm going to select the data there. And then I'm going to add it. Then I'm going to go to L2 and I'm going to select all the data there. And then I'm going to add it. And then I'm going to go into L3 and select all the data there, and I'm going to add it. So you can see your cell reference has the name of the sheet plus the range of data in the sheet. Okay, and then you select top row and left column to include the top row and the left column. And if you want, you can click on create links to source data, which means that if you update any of the values in L1, L2, L3, it'll automatically update the total that you were creating on the summary page. The other thing is you have to pick the appropriate consolidation function, and I'm just going to go with sum. Okay, so when I click on OK, look, this is what I get. What it did was it took the sales from L1, L2, and L3 and added them up. So L1 A was 100 plus 200 plus 300. And that gives us 600. So similarly, it did the same thing for all the other items, the other cells in this series of spreadsheets. The thing to remember, for this to work, you must have more than 2 columns of data, or 2 columns or more. Cannot use this with 1 column of data. Use a 3D formula in that case. Okay, so remember that you've got to have 2 columns right here, because I tried it a whole bunch of different ways with just the sales and one single column here along with this information, and it didn't work. It put all the information side by side. So you've got to have at least 2 columns of data for this consolidation function to work. So I hope that's useful to you, and thank you very much.